Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a two-bedroom, two-bathroom house, which currently does well for short-term rentals. It sits on 0.15 acres of land. It is located at St. Mary Country Club, which is a gated development done in the late 1980s, which has maintained a fairly good standard with 24-hour security at the main gate, a communal swimming pool, and an active citizen association. On entering the development, there is a feel of sense of community. The location of the development is fairly central, with Ocho Rios being a mere 15 minutes drive. It is also a few minutes drive from a great attraction, Yaaman Adventure Tours, and a choice of several beaches. Once you get on the main road, which is about 5 minutes drive, you can go east to a choice of beaches, including Sugar Pot in Rio Nuevo, or west to Pleasure Cove and many other choices in Ocho Rios. Call today to view. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 290,000 or Jamaican $45.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.